I welcome all of you on the platform of Your PD Education, and you are getting the latest updates related to the interview preparation, group discussion, group task on this particular platform of Yourpedia. And this is a new channel we have created for this very activity, that is group discussion, group task, HR. And students are continuously giving the feedbacks, and which I am sharing with you. Maybe it will be helpful to you for the preparation. One of the sentence the question asked was, okay, so please praise yourself for next 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 120 seconds. You have to praise yourself. Stop the video and try whether you can do that. घड़ी साथ में लगा के देखो 2 मिनट तक अपना प्रेज कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. Do it. And once this was done, the next question was, can you criticize now? Instead of praising, now can you criticize? Praise and criticize 2 मिनट तक करना है. It is not easy. Try yourself and you see it कि आप कैसे कर सकते हैं. तो उसमें क्या बोलना है सर? स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस बोलनी है. वो तो 3 वर्ड है. स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस नहीं बोलनी, प्रेज करनी है अपनी. अपना क्रिटिसिज्म भी करना है. Let me try. Okay, sir, as a person, I think I'm a very caring fellow. I'm empathetic fellow. Whosoever is around me, my friend, my relative, my juniors, my seniors, whosoever is there with me, I tend to care for them. I'm the kind of person who is very easy to get along with. I can make friends easily. That is not a problem for me. And people don't hesitate talking to me and sharing their experiences with me, because maybe they think I'm a trustworthy fellow. Another, my good personality trait is that I'm genuine for maximum people who are there, majority of the people who are genuine to me. Obviously, I tend to avoid the people who are not genuine. But if some my friend gives me some activity or some particular work, I try to give my 100%, genuinely try to do that. Maximum my friends would like to talk to me, and they want me to go with them, move around, and they share their experiences with me and all. My parents, they are very satisfied with my performance so far, because in the academics also I've done good, and I'm putting effort, and they have seen me working hard for my goal achievements. So they are largely happy with me. Even my brothers and sisters, they love me a lot, because I don't irritate them, or I do whatever they say. I try to fulfill whatever they have expectations from me. Even I do that. In the college also, my teachers were satisfied with me, so they used to think that I'm a good student. So if I see myself from the perspective of all these people, like my friends, my teachers, my others, so largely they were satisfied with me. No doubt that I have set some particular targets for me, which are more than what I am presently, and I believe in continuous improvement. But I can say that the kind of person I am, the people around me have accepted me, and they are good, okay with that. So I think that is my biggest thing which I am satisfied about. I don't know what is the time, but I think 2 minutes हो गया है. अभी क्रिटिसाइज में क्या बोलेंगे? 2 मिनट तक क्या क्रिटिसाइज में क्या बोलेंगे? सो यू नीड नॉट टू से कि आई एम अ वर्कहोलिक, और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मत बोलो. Sir, I want to tell you something about the criticism, something bad about me, which my mother is always angry about. That sometimes I'm very lazy, especially getting up early in the morning. My mother gets up very early in the morning. She gets up at 5 o'clock, and she starts doing her daily rituals and cleaning the house and doing worship, puja, and everything she starts doing it. My father is also early riser. He goes on the walk and then starts reading newspaper, have chai, but since I work till late and I get up very late in the morning, so my mother is very angry with me. By the 8 o'clock I hear her shouting at me, and she believes I am very lazy fellow, and always she is saying, oh, come on the dining table and have your food in time, and have you not brushed up, have you not taken bath, you have not taken bath, and see the kind of room you have made. She is never satisfied, she is never happy with my maintaining the room. Since I am reading a lot, I keep my books here and there, she is not happy with me. My younger sister, she is always fighting with me, because we are sharing the same room, so she wants to keep very clean, but I don't want to keep the things clean. Sometimes I keep put on the clothes which are dirty clothes, so my mother is angry with me about that. My father says that yes, I'm okay, but the kind of meticulous person should be in his life. I'm not that type, so my father always preaches me something like that. My friends always say that you have reduced the socialization time, you are not having that fun now, you are totally into your career, so that is the thing they are also saying like that. Sometimes I'm very self-centered, sir, for my goal and my objective, so I'm focusing on that only, and I tend to forget the things around me. So yes, people around me, you need to criticize yourself, something like that, but believe me, it will take time. Practice this question can be asked to you also.